Hey, how you doing? Hi. It's so bright. It's so bright. It's so bright. It's so bright. Alright, bye. Sorry. What's up, Dan Gang? It's your boy Dame Dash, and I'm back with another video for y'all. Hey, y'all. Alright, y'all. So today we back with another mukbang. I have shrimp Alfredo. I made homemade. I got 3 shrimp on the top. I put some lemon juice over it once it was done. I had some garlic bread right here. You can still see the smoke. Now I actually made this the other day. But I love my pasta a couple days later. It's always better after everything is set and marinated. Look at that cheese. Oh, y'all like my shirt? It's fashion over men. Fashion over men. You know what I said? It's so good, y'all. Got my water. Whew. How's everybody been, man? I feel like a lot of y'all, I don't see y'all like that. I don't be hearing from y'all in my comments like that, man. Where y'all been? Where y'all been? This is so good. I promise you, once you make homemade Alfredo sauce, you'll never buy a can again. There's shrimp in here, bell peppers, onions, broccoli, garlic. Some huge shrimp. Sorry, I don't remember where I was just at. I don't remember where I was at. I'm sorry if y'all can hear the background. I also asked a few questions. I asked you guys to ask me some questions to do a Q&A. All right. So the first set of questions, y'all, are from Purple Rose. All right. So she asked a few questions. R&B, rap, or neo soul? Oh, excuse me. So it's R&B, then rap. Coffee or tea? Tea. Jeans or sweats? Sweats. Boots or sneakers? Sneakers. J's or Air Max? J's. Fried or baked? Baked. Meats or seafood? Seafood. Oh, that's just chicken. Rice or noodles? That's a hard one. Dang. I'll do noodles. Cognac or vodka? Cognac. I need that hen dog, that dirty water. At the end, she put, "I'm so, I know I'm annoying." You wasn't annoying at all. Very helpful. Justine Ford asked, "What's my favorite food?" And I gotta say that it is macaroni and cheese. I love macaroni and cheese. I also love, I love seafood too. Joshua Williams said, "Who is my favorite YouTube couple?" And it's De'Aaron and Ken. Man, I love De'Aaron and Ken. All right, next question is from Janice Gates. In your travels, what has been your best meal? Okay. I don't even remember. Like, most times when I travel, I'll be a little drunk, so I don't know. I don't be paying attention. But Miami got some good food. I could say in Miami, there's been some type of pasta or something. Or, no. The crab cakes from Ocean Prime. Bomb. I love Ocean Prime. And that's in Michigan. They got one in Michigan. But y'all, my favorite restaurant is Bahama Breeze. Favorite restaurant is Bahama Breeze, hands down. If y'all ain't never been to Bahama Breeze, you gotta go. Who's my favorite YouTuber? De'Aaron and Ken, my favorite YouTubers. That was quick. I think I answered all the questions. Only had 5. Alright, y'all. So, comment down below if y'all want me to answer more questions. That's why I said I want to do a part 2. Alright, y'all. Comment down below if y'all want me to answer some more questions or if you want to know some more information about me or anything in general. Man, this food is so good. I'm getting full from it though. Pasta is very, very filling. and loaded with carbs. But it's bomb, y'all. All type of cheese in it. Yeah, I'm working on my vlog channel right now. I gotta go start editing. Let me know when y'all ready to see a video. I'm nice and full. Nice and full. Alright, y'all. I'm about to get up out of here. Please make sure y'all like this video, comment down below, share it with anyone and everyone to let them know what we're doing over here. You know what I'm saying? And make sure y'all stay in touch, stay in contact with me, leave comments. Check out my Instagram, FLAVORSBYDAMEDASH on Instagram. You know, I'm just, you know, slow rolling over here. I love y'all so much. Please make sure you stay blessed. Have a great day. Bye, y'all. Hey, how you doing? Hi. It's so bright. It's so bright. It's so bright. It's so bright. All right, bye. Sorry.